Alt text plays a crucial role in optimizing the SEO of any website. If your website has lots of images without alt text, and you're tired of adding it all manually, don't worry, you don't have to write it manually anymore. In this video, we will see how to use AI to efficiently add SEO-friendly alt text to images in bulk on your WordPress site. So let's start the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click on Add New Plugins. Search here for AI Image Alt Text Generator for WP. Install and activate the plugin. Now go to AI Alt Text Generator. You'll notice that your plan credit is at 0. To proceed, we'll need an API key. Let's explore how to get a free key. Click Get Started for free. Fill out the sign-up form completely. Then click on Create Account. You'll receive a verification link in your email inbox. Go to Email. Open Mail and click on Activate Account. Here you can see your API key. Click here to copy your API key. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go to AI Alt Text Generator settings. Then paste your API key here. Click on the Save button. Now click on AI Alt Text Generator. See, now you have 40 free credits available. Now we'll explore how to generate alt text for all images in bulk. You'll see the total number of images on your WordPress site and how many of them are currently missing alt text. Go to Bulk Image Alt Text Generator. Click on Generate Alt Text. All your image alt text will be generated in just a few seconds. Another important thing to note that is if you have many images, you can generate them in bulk. You can continue with other tasks or even shut down your device, and the process will automatically continue without wasting your time. Let's check if the bulk processing has been generated or not. See the alt text generated for all images. Let's introduce some more features available in the Settings section. Go to AI Alt Text Generator. Click on Settings. In the alt text language section, you can set multiple languages for the alt text. In addition, there are options to set the image title, image caption, and image description. When this option is enabled, the title, description, and caption of any image, along with the alt text, will be automatically generated. If you want to add keywords like your brand name to each image, you can use this option. And if you want to add a keyword at the beginning, enter it in the prefix section. Let me right here. Let's take a look at how it works. Upon clicking on Create Alt Text, Boom Devs was also written on the first due to the prefix Boom Devs I gave in the prefix field. Then Automatic Alt Text Generation. When this option is enabled, the alt text for any image uploaded to WordPress will be automatically generated. Then the types of images for automatic alt text generation. From this section, you can select the types of images like JPG, PNG, and WEBP that will have alt text automatically generated after uploading. In this way, you can easily add SEO-friendly alt text to your website. Install our plugin today and take advantage of the free offer. Add SEO-friendly alt text and save your time. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding these issues, feel free to tell us in the comment section. So, if you liked the video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.